Omade. Now to make up him. I remember my kind of film say, papi. So far, the team the man on Nya GDB one more. Now one and far to me quadra post match and mat and coca and Sembia Sebia Unya. Timilo Swakasa. Ever Bobo ni Semno Kaino. See the aim they say the Blasters of Ghana. Waba qualified Yako Pima walk up and Yav corner by and one in the aim. So far, the Blasters of Ghana in the year 2000, AFCON Yako Pima quarter final, 2002 quarter final, 2004 Yentimian qualified Anko Aya AFCON, 2006 group stages in the FIMO. 2008 Yache Bronze, 2010 Yasova Yatumiachi, 2012 Yatumia Toso 4th position, 2013 the same, 2015 Yache Sova, and I go from the penalty shoot that Yakoya Belegozana, 2017 Yatoso 4th, 2019 round of 16 Yafimo, and now 2021 group stages here FIMO. And to win it, come out, crab by Yadia Machine at tier 4. Kaishano says MTN FA Cup in there. Across the Foka, woman in our corner. Woman golden cakes at 3 p.m. Our cross 4 stadium. Woman bearing time so. Yabasha, don't forget us a house of folk. Ramona Air, the defending champion of the MTN FA Cup. Tuamosha so be defended. When him second Kodia can face a Yoma film and the MTN FA Cup among count. And Tiano come on no Sam Makacho say last about say yani ex players in the din come on. In the year 1978 Abla Ghana Yaji Teraf corner, he was part of the team. Ratini Muhammad Ahmed Polo Wusiakari Mabubo Kwati at the House of Focus for the Blasters of Ghana. Knock a team no. Tiani Bedin come on, Niasha, so far the Blasters of Ghana. The sofa baby, Twitter baby, Blasters in Commentator. Live for Okoman Radio, Bema. There be a full line in their tomb now, so they are shop on what they are about. They are shop on now, they are about. Move to me the message, they are about 055166 7755 0551 66 7755. And I said 0270 191 971. Nabi Bia straight to your conkai. The message in bra. So far the Blasters of Ghana. It's no. Okoman Radio 97.1. Nana Kwame Perry the finest. Help Wasaso. Head of Sports, Rantiade. Ofia Koreachiman, Parkway CPK, Jeff Kufubuate, TJ Tonsi, TJ 5, TJ Sigibi, TJ Tony, Nanotamia, Krabia Santewase, Sasuna Eke, Enya Thrashe, Executive Producer, Mr. KAP, Nana Bonabi Piasu Tia Konkai. Kaishene Susan Yamia to me number AFCON matches no. You bet him solid pa. You see all the 52 matches. The blast Fimo, you better commentary. Can be standing in Nigeria in terms so. And on my team Egypt. And it's Sultan the in terms so. Ninia 7 p.m. And in the matches no. 7 p.m. Nanta matches no ebe tocha. Now go Piemo AFCON players on match 5 goals. And the 21st century our group stages Samuel Etofils 2006 or 5 goals our group stages 2008 so we are the same Vincent Abubakar 2021 was 5 goals so Shekai Erma Cameroon the Uko Piemo AFCON group stages players on match 5 goals the 21st century Samuel Etofils 2006 he did it in 2008 2021 Vincent Abubakar Cameroon it seems like Cameroon a team now one more dominating our AFCON tournament Etiano Okoman join here on Okoman Radio 97.1. My message number 0551667755. Bantame back in Kadiama. Na pia so to akonkai. And to bet me on Facebook, now was searching. Okoman Radio 97.1 message to me live for. So soon on YouTube for us on joining. Mon drop more comment. Now maybe I swear to me on Konkai. But so no comment and one share. Now you're sharing is caring. Now maybe I swear to me on Konkai. So far, Kopiemo, our tournament anymore. Vincent Abubakar from Cameroon, Asha 5 goals. Abrantia Tini Wahid from Tunisia, Washa 2 goals. Tiano Okoman no. I catch yourself. You're one of the legends. Everything community young Okoman so na yani Orati Adi Mohammed Ahmed Polo. Yes, a former Black Stars in the year 1978. Abragana yache yeter AFCON na pape etumi eka team no. So, Mr. Mohammed Polo Yamakwaba, Erbo Okoman 97.1 FM. So, now, legend be fine. Now, legend, I brought to me die.
Okay.
And brought to me die.
Me try.
Now, legend, whoever says that, whoever try so to me die. They don't want to eat.
Men football.
Wow.
na ya kiasi ya muso yesu ya bi aja mankola we na enko yi sa how my
well legend yan share the Blasters of Ghana so far unya konya atumi ahwe 3 matches ni nia
yeah
yan share from the start of the AFCON and ebe see the last no who compare bebre susu sendra the Blasters of Ghana who compare to our previous matches now the performance was very high.
Yeah, the performance was very high, but I am saying I am more money, and let's say I say all the countries everybody tries to give his best, but here to see I am saying it's not the best. Anything it shows clear we are going we are going down instead of climbing, no, because you are winning important. Now, what is happening? We have to start find a solution.
Legends will be with us and who compare this squad to a year current squad in the year 1978. Different kakawum, and I say it's the same talent.
Oh, different woman. But generation, the opposition, almost generation. Let us see a generation, opposition, who are able to do better than them, and we got what we're looking for. But the generation where they are struggling to make it, and not mean just.
Will you say, sir, is it our coaches, and a Jumano Muntumiye, and I say Penphobie, and a teacher, my coaches need to mean Jumano?
I am say Obia Wanifa. Obia Wanijuma is a whole year. Now it looks as if Obituma and Koya, a short coach, is not up to work, In the players in Tizua, they are not giving their best. That is how it goes.
Legends, we can say bless no, I'm on your best. Because on TSA, because Andrea boys, they were determined to do something about fun and far.
Players, these are the players we have. Players, I don't see anything wrong with what they try to do. That is what they know, and that is what the instructions and that is what their quality. So we cannot blame the players who say their standards. How do we raise their standards? How do we raise it? Because motivation meaning because every more when I get back to her.
Yes.
And the coach is for the second time, and he's telling us that players that is players, players that before. It doesn't make sense. What do you mean, Qatar? Generation, any players I watch. It's a whole Qatar, the young couple players, and once and a while. Want to me, add some value to what they have. And that is what is happening now.
Wow. How many are still Okoman Radio 97.1? And Muhammad Ahmed Polo, yes, in the year 1978, Abla the Blasters of Ghana, Yaji a third AFCON na Okaskwan Ubi, and I Yanenu Etchin Komo live on Okoman Radio. Now, Senior, Yanchani say, why you disappointed, Sandra? You feel tournament anymore?
Yeah, very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. And but it shows that we are not learning, we are not developing. And that is the situation that we have. And I'm very disappointed. We have to come back and find solutions because the football now we run of player competing to the World Cup, 5 slots, and we cannot cry over straight of men.
Baby, Susa, Milovan Rifat, Yam Pameno, Selejano, Antona Nasa, Yam Pameno.
It's up to the management, and Yamin didn't buy. It's up to the money. To me, I'm Kakwesi Afiaponi.
Wow. Legend, you better wako. Now, the Blasters of Ghana, your World Cup qualifies at the Enim. See so far, Usha, what's the next step? The Ghana Football Association. Then Usha, Womunya, Umufanya Mangua, the Blasters of Ghana.
Okay, come again.
Legend, na maybe Sasa, Isiano, the Blasters of Ghana, Usha, the Ghana Football Association, Lucy, we are bay, and Asian to me qualify, anchor the next day, then, and a GF in Omanya, our a year AFCON, and as a World Cup qualifies, Yeba Bono, a bit me a boy.
Of course, there is nothing we can do. There's nothing no money. Now you go qualify, no. And so I inquire, then Yaba, again the next steps. But maybe the development of football from even the grassroots to more. It depends on the quality of the way. Maybe I have developed football club side. Home. Now your home football no. Osha adi ayekoso no and fata and boy. Osha Nansenya as Echo G Tembo say Algeria any friends and more. Your champions are Omoko G 10 goals. 2 matches 10 goals. What do you say? And why? You come and to see what to do. Your development may enter you.
Wow. Legend, Yajamu Ako, what was the folk so far? Osha, a former club now. The start of the league was not that encouraging. See, I know my start here picking up. Would you say after Osha 1 or 2 matches, no, how's better to have a leg on you?
As for league in India, you know, we still have matches to play. There is nothing wrong with that. But he ain't developing a football, no. And next year, they are winning league now. According to Naba, they will go and they are winning. Echo, now you can see I was too slow. I lose to Africa. They didn't know what to do.
Legend, area better say, as on your Dean Como, our Okoman Radio 97.1 FM.
You're welcome.
All right. So Mohamed Ahmed Polo, yes, one a former Bubokwa Dene House of Folk, the Blasters of Ghana. In the year 1978, abroad the Blasters yeji a third AFCON na waka squad no bia wanting komono e dia babetumi join here. Ewo Facebook obetumi drop comment e ba ye be kenka diama na bibia so no etumi akonkan ekenya trase krobia sante so enya trase ye ba be didi nkomo football no eya babua menumie no Andra say ufa krombe bibia tedin ebi mu kran tumi didi. But okay, nti ano come eso no live Okoman Radio 97.1 Suba mo akwaba
right
boss player
me also Erika Amichia etiefo nyina say nei omanya bra omoti Okoman 97.1 yenchi omu nyina we are fine.
The radiation. Be yeah, but and ya cry. I can't tell whiny. But be a fine super. Be a fine. Krobia Sante. So enya Athanasi. Honoma. Krobia. Good afternoon.
Yeah, right.
Boss player be a fine. Right, Yan said the Muza.
Oh yeah. And when I was a mini skirmishes been here. The time I gave me Baba Shas and number 1 or 2 will go down, go for area. Until I was a number 4:30 anymore. Yeah.
Rihanna, me new team come on.
Yeah, into maybe drew late, me free Chrome 4:30 thereabouts.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. And the Krabia Sante and AK, and I'll think I'm your life. Okoman Radio 97.1. I'll bet me do message in the about 0551 66 7755 and answer 0270 191 971. I'll be Piasono. To me, Akonkai Okoman Global Sports, and our Suguswa, which you bet me the message, no, at the Facebook, Sasso, and our YouTuber, yes, to me life, a hormone, ultra pia, you bury Didiama, Nabi Piasono, to me, Akonkai, and Hong Kong, and Fidiago, way at the bar, our Facebook, I say coffee, a friend Coffee Friday, I say greetings to you all, Janko Town Boys, which you are, and I wish so the Abba, Asante, I say soundtrack. Is Jama okay. Indeed, one also and come on. So to bet me at a message, Adi aba shase Kobia Sante yan shase so far AFCON tournament no Obekas organization and bibia no so far own say after see abobo enchane read the last group stages no.
Yeah, I think so. Yenchia yetiefo nyina yema my very very good afternoon. Say one more want to my boy Indiana from day one. I started year call Christmas by into New Year. BP moi Jumedia that enshase through that you know you started the AFCON competition you know in the Cameroon and commentaries nowadays said the live commentary you know ever in all the 52 games are be to me and I believe so far we've been justice to our listeners sure. And Jumedia no Okoman then our own country Ghana so now you call into just Morano very very high from last Sunday week ago our more and you know the opening ceremony in Cameroon. I think the preparation towards any organization everything are excellent in Cameroon. The way our more started the opening ceremony through that the first game to me kick off you know and the host nation Cameroon they take on Burkina Faso through that in subsequent matches in subsequent group stages games are young to me and so far were the last games in today's particular groups are born the last games then young teams are on to me qualify into the round of 16. Those who will be automatically qualified from 1 to 2 in a group of 4 teams, you know, Yebenya first and second automatically get your certificate to play in the round of 16. Then from there we are going to take 4 teams, about 4 teams out of the 8 possible groups, you know. 4 teams are more a place third, are more better than other teams, you know, are going to be taken into Nenia, they have to one more qualify automatically, you know, one could be round of 16, you know, and they were the third round of sure. And you know group stages games are boning and I think that for now you know an excellent the drama a woman debutant a ye and you know guru sunibi a female Minos teams performing at the highest level against this top guns and I said top countries and top teams are more pedigree the AFCON competition anymore. Some who players are more AU who the woman said they needing but when it gets to the match proper you see them are more performing at the highest level as compared to those names are that are mobile so it's been all referees drama and I think everything the euphoria around supporters, you know, they were one more celebration of goals, any other. I think for now, Cameroon to me actually African football to the highest level and you know the beauty of our game Africa, any young colors, everything. I think everything has been superb so far.
All right, Krobia Sante and our Tenica Suba. So far, tournament Russia team men are surprising.
Well, right, Malaysia sent free on the 9th of January.
Yes.
And you know, AFCON, it's here or my Cameroon. We had a very colorful event that's the opening ceremony Cameroon for it's me opening game in the by your body. Following games and I bought Baidoo and so for my assessment on the tournament tonight, I think it has been very, very superb and very, very fantastic, interesting and lively. Oshe Senana Krobia Kana, the lesser known teams are almost tournament in now expect something better and as I expect something this time around they are proving wrong say yes football and you know I scientific and technical never be abem and you know untana baby into who say we football nation untana baby into who say ball no me quality and I said top notch players into you know almost so by you know they are pulling in surprises. I might be to say Sierra Leone in their opening 2 games you know now go be and say after South 2 matches you know again I'm going so I'm here but Ankoban they are still in the tournament playing their first game against Algeria normal draw. Then they came back again to play against Ivory Coast. I know so much to be about draw. And to that she tells you football I according him especially on the African continent. A certain country like Equatorial Guinea playing and beating a friend is saying defending champions Algeria and also Chelsea a football night etimi akwanenim. So this time I would say tournament generally I interested and shocking as we all expected, you know. Sana and also Ebem Yenshada who African Cup of Nations are quite surprising say afidi, you know. But I would say Miriti and Mituma can say so far so good. Remember 8/10 or in terms of infrastructure, security, protocols, amount for all observing the match itself. All pitch and so no has been very, very fantastic. You know, Yambo Kafabaso, Yambo the Cameroonian FA, and then the Cameroonian government was led by President Pobia, Honorary President of Cameroon. And I think so Cameroon, FA President Samuel Eto'o, Obiso Munche, but still, what's my bringing things together? And in the AFCON. And so now I so much exciting. Right, so far, my assessment on the AFCON 2021.
All right, thank you. And I'll tell you also, adding in common, Riabako PMO YouTuber Sunday. I see I'm sorry for Ghana yesterday. Today Nigeria win by 4-1. And the Oko PMO YouTuber, so bet me the message no. Area for South Sudan Facebook live on Okoman Radio 97. Dr. Aba no share na wa comment na wa ma bibia so na tumi akonkanya. Commentator enye Vidagra yaba DM yaba digest into the Black Stars national team. As I say, ube PMO Black Star na enkomano enye Vidagra bra from the start of the preparation. BBC tournament na the Black Stars efimo yakokata ekobodwa. It seems like tournament no preparation ye koe no sabe kata ne ye koe no amfa hwiamba yaba behwe ne edin komom e ho mo betu do message area ba 0551 6677 55 and I say 0270 191 971. You be a phone lines no at the amount. Now so in some shop and the performance of the Black Stars so far competition here PM now so do the aba. Now be a so it me akokan live on Okoman Radio 97.1 FM. Krabia Sante, Yansha here the Black Stars of Ghana. We are out of the competition. Obi because you preparation no and enough or we have the qualities. But you don't have a good coach or a good manager to manage the boys.
Yeah, right. Yeah, Baidoo be asked once again. So far, so good for Ghana football because I believe the Duano and one and using it to me a Chasuaba and tournament, AFCON tournament, and proper no yenya about 3 coaches are to me abo they are my and kwesi apia ebe ejuma kakra.
Okay.
Then CK Akono and CK Akono ejuma no ye nyina despite say na onya winu CK ye no clear say CK Akono na ene obetumi qualify Ghana e dey aba AFCON and as ene qualify crampo ewie ye betumi aba bebo AFCON but pene results bia na ACC no sometimes team ni betumi ye wini Pound say kwanya ye fa so winning ni kra no ye ayemuhihye no den kwanya ye fa so winning na ye muhihye mekai Ethiopia ewo in Cape Coast Stadium ye nyina Ghana etumi enya 1-0 win but kwanga victory ne fa so buy no na che say ano ye den utumu say yihia anka any other team bia anka obetumi a surprise yen Cape Coast or Ghana hanum ya intina yen nje performance no despite say na all my results no ukopiemu Egypt Hosam Badria no ye wo manager abo over 15 games na won lose a game but Egyptian FA ne tenase na wo mu hu say ne modern bono ene kwanyo even offer so win games no ya ayem hihye entini wo mu betumi apam no na tournament no despite say we qualify no as you qualify Egypt to the playoff or World Cup no e was say we mo e show ni the exit door and we mo ekofa Carlos Queiroz say to me the buy so for that aspect no na many FA no ya adwene say performance na any head coach CK Akono lead Black Stars any we quality any players are young players are more a very talented one indeed now we more airborne local scene mu ubemu a ubemu players our modern bono so any those outside women so from their various clubs our women so boy or Europe say if say to me adwane these players we nyina together with a good management and a technical bench our women so enim die ehu de e football mu a I think say women be to me take Ghana to a different level and I say higher level compared to the na ye women and for over 40 years you know na ye nyina no hope say ye be to me aye den akọ Cameroon 2021 ye to me akọ G trophy no and per that matter no they were not Ghana for ye kasa we media as well ye kasa then from the football fraternity obi bia ye kasa the FA ye nyina ye tena ase ye call benkrum because we are all involved of the sacking of these previous managers ye nyina ye to me nyan ye nyina ye involved and players said we must and I say coaches said we must even buy after the sacking of CK Akono. Then that year coaches you know AP no you say obi bia ene no one aba no ye nyina ye bunkompo ekohwe ye 2010 from 2009 in the Milovan Rajevac ebeje in the Ghana Black Stars ejuma obeye no and so far na me one person na me so me supported the appointment of Milovan Rajevac.
Okay.
Per history any dia wabeye wo Ghana not the former no wo mu currently but ye hwe de nipa no aba beye intisan obi a wabeye bida ana enu ye hwe se de da yen enim de mana sen no betumi ayen and ye hu a manager na o take bold decision back then in 2010 ye hu a manager or the Ghana echo finals of African Cup of Nations ye hu a manager o take Ghana for the first time the global world international in the tournament a year ball the biggest Albania war asase so a World Cup echo quarter finals and ye nyina through that impo dia ema ye fi mu no enye from the hands of the manager no and ema ye free mu quarter final phase entina enu ye nyina ye hu performance or the my eno nenam so and ye di Milo ebai no introduction wo mu ejinedi ama enu bibia ekoso pensema FA president eye 30 years or kreku etumi e de my en say this is man a wo mu nyina ehia and oyi enye matrama kwe meaning say those are na wo mu ho our saki woman no and I say our previous local coaches our saki woman no eye matrama coaches now what the woman hwe bibi keke and I say woman be try bibi keke so now you've gotten the manner obe to me give us the trophy and penny history so no what the nyako final definitely say uba winning it no ebe easier than obi a uncle fine even quarter final crown puda and also one for you do that stage in that
sure and
he nyina ye jena no krumu my papa yi edi obi bia ohia e de ne bai then baby an ye wo problem me wo problem personally ni ye bo tournament e wo in Africa different continent different environment weather condition food everything different compared to even young aye impo ye wo no the continent nankasa no because no Cameroon senya wo mu ye wo mu niamafa eso no Cameroon weather ana even eso no Ghana ye kwa tournament ye wo most of the players no debut players if you know ba be make you wo debut if you na wo munya first time call up into the national team if you na wo ba be call a competitive tournament these players enye exposed to any tournament e ka kobo no enye exposed to any skirmishes any nyoma bia e wo tournament mu proper and ye free most of these players wo mu ye outside players ebinum yang anwo mo Ghana ha most of them so abobo na che ewo Europe na ene uye preparation towards a tournament wo de friendly matches ye bebo ene preparation pre-season ye be ahead of the tournament no akopie mu ewo Qatar different continent different city everything different weather condition bibia e different
suba meba mpesi etie abraya point to radin ade Milovan Rajevac matroma kwe na okan no ye pese tie fotie
who he is and for what he has achieved with Ghana. We firmly believe that this is not Matra Makwe. This is not, and for who he is and for what he has achieved with Ghana, we firmly believe that this is not Matra Makwe. This is not Matra Makwe. This is not Machai Makwe.
And the Krabi Asante. No.
Yeah, and this is not Matra Makwe.
Okay, 3 times. Okay.
And Nimpeni Funi be and then Nimpeni for no ye Guefe when you be on sense.
Subium and no Sasu.
Yes.
Okay, young queen.
And this baby I call preseason. And no, make I say, me 2 days program be and I said it say sad way ya there be affect them. And then when him say coach Nanka say to me I confirm me. Coach Nanka say to me I confirm me say Sani Omani nyina na ya there den amboa wo mo. And they will check it kata weather.
Okay.
One more year preseason. A year 22 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Yeah, bought a tournament. A country. It could 33 degrees Celsius. So I say, you know, so you say, Sani on my way in football. No, affected players. Pop. Even sometimes the venue, sometimes the pitch nature, the nature of the pitch. Nankasa, the land, Nankasa, as soon Africa assassin, as soon Qatar assassin, as soon Europe assassin. Okay. And if say these players, crop of players in most of them, every Europe, Asia kind of Europa, near Baba year preseason. It is a woman tested, woman feel the nature of any African turf, the nature of the pitch Africa and any Cameroon proper precisely place a year tournament, you know. The weather condition Africa, the weather condition any Cameroon proper year tournament, you know. We came here to complain about it. Proud before the tournament.
Claudia say, Qatar no year 20. Celsius.
Yes.
And Cameroon year 29.
Yes.
Okay.
And the last time some of the games, can hear commentary, rise it to 32. And within 15 minutes, now mark water break for twice.
Okay.
2 times within 15 minutes.
Okay.
So what I say?
Yes.
That was a game against Cameroon, host nation, one of the teams on the group Nanebo. So what I say? And the idea but then again, mini car for the into one change because car for the it has affected each and every team to be participating. The 24 countries, we all been affected with late collapse. I know CAF. I agree with any clubs. You know, say players ever what them returning on time and also what them back up on time. In the end, the union are affecting not Ghana alone, but yen they know. Look at this. Sad way ya can they be and ne enunye into coach onye matramakwe.
Okay.
And then me mama insaso ewa. Oh yes. Me support this man particularly. What dia wa beye eni obi bia nso da no. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Ye wo local and I say teams and I say managers wo mo Africa ha. Ubetumi aka say wo mu nim all wo mo win trophy ni bida. Nti wo mo nanka ye nya wo mo ebetumi aboa. Say what I say. Binum betumi abo coaches bia di ni ade. Every now after so we knew with Ivory Coast and Zambia, I think Zambia right and yeah, we knew with Zambia and Ivory Coast. He came back to Algerian side. Algeria was avalanche of players. Players are one more born before one we knew 2019. One more second, one by one by she.
Okay.
Or by one by she. If games or boy draw loose. Kaki to be one and permanent. Even one more finding very difficult to even qualify for the 2019. And the end of the coach Alakofana ban winning battle. You be an hour better try from the local scene. Africa continent and the worldwide.
Wow.
So what I say?
Yes.
And they know Papa and Ejuma known to me yet.
Ejuma known to me yet.
Known to me yet.
Milovan rivals.
And if you know and an impenny funny to me and that dying. Oh yeah. So what they buy ye bet to me I can iron. Ye internet yet nas and ye analyze. Sir, yet nas and ye analyze. But in all, me to me I can so Uncle Yanko for heavy rain now. Uncle Yanko for Kosia back. Uncle Yanko for Messi back. But it's all boiled down to the FA. So one will make it the final decision.
Okay. And
one more final decision after coaches over 10 coaches are one more they want to see if you buy no. They are one more choose in this time. It to me a failure.
Wow.
And I'm not expecting Coach Milovan. I think say just after our game against Gabon, me control told me official page or social media say young really convincingly not even just not expecting even just a win over Comoros.
Okay.
Convincingly over Comoros. This coach needs to be sacked. And this playoff now a day in work up on to me call. And majority of the blame needs to be one more penalty coach, you know, any day FA. One more into me and
wow.
One more into me and at all. Then again, going forward. going forward.
Okay.
It's about time Ghana you be serious.
So Ghana we are not serious.
Oh yes. Unim say you forget the age factor. You forget the age factor.
Okay.
Me to me I say players be indeserving to play in the Black Stars team. Obeka to and I say one more back to the end of their career and I say playing days. Ube to me use age for a yardstick into amazing age and dancing.
Okay.
Because football we play with heart out, commitment, passion, dedication and determination and you do football. And the club and as a player who you're willing to play for any team and was even crowd call up crowd to me respond for.
Wow.
You several players. After Duncan actually say on you ready for Black Stars. This is a player. Why you faithful to Ghana and we need even to and you know Bonabaso.
Wow.
Mohamed Salisu a top no center back say then on case on bomber Black Stars no say on na adwunu so ko boy even ama any other country or show any SP because this or Ghana any on also say then yeah man time. These are players are one faithful and when given the opportunity and I say time no so say one ba be brama o man Ghana one mo e be committed one mo be play with their heart out one mo be dedicated and they determined to win for Mother Ghana because so far one are ready and when they become readier these are players are one committed to the Mother Ghana and your players be here to me body because a new body but when the time comes you be they should forget about their age and now catch them say uni striker bia or your papa say Jordan Ayua no and your coach in class if Ghana catch say you need striker bia or your papa to say Jordan Ayua
okay
because on be or Bo Crystal Palace and Jordan no onye typical striker or striker from rings into rings one or striker no ni impact go and read and I say yenhwe Europe teams are and I say players are one striker from rings you know yenhwe one impact on their teams yenhwe at the end of 90 minutes yenhwe contribution a one more day my team no yenhwe one more input and I say one more output on the day a one more day my team no now one striker from rings are we are rings want to me my assist we are want to me cross bang na to me efficient resulting into a positive element or my Ghana rings one more strikers no then na one more day one more so to me the two ma and also so efficient for Mother Ghana one more and they proper number 10 players I just say one number 10 players passes bang na one to me a mind creative passes bang incisive passes bang and some of the players it is a one more the likes of this Jonathan Mensah, the day are you forget the Jordan age massa woman to me bobo because say player we day and no kuma on dedicated on your committed on bobo no wait na kuma but these are players and say we shouldn't entertain them at all because Milan minimum they tell me support millionaire Milan minimum say per this performances are and the local coaches some players will show this biased nature of their start their life or just say they are now one you know na minimum say Milo you be able to me the see form it may take a bold decision but this time he's also been influenced Milo he's been influenced and 2 years or what if you know Okoman and if a president no proper and kasakura influence manager no because if to me president kasa to me interview actually and say even collapse crampon goes into scrutiny meaning say coach no any 100% right say or the fair players and just after say wa friend no even these members of FA any agent of players one more take squad no into scrutiny yen we film ni yen fa we mbeshem
okay
and yen players ni bi players in be this time one more bar sisi ase winning bonus obia winning game bia sisa winning bonus zikani nyara one more mbesi ene profit o megina profit echi se no appoint coaching engina profit echi enyinedi no engina profit echi sika se an ye de kwai ene football young ministry of youth and sports
yes
papan
you Mustafa Yusuf
wasase
oh krobia
wasase Mustafa Yusuf wasase won nyina wombra ye ko tournament ene ye nim sika ye media fu ya ne ye nemu a ye de se ne ko rumors wombra mama sika we no wode kwai ana sika we ana wode aba because ye ngan win game bia
mama read the message on Facebook where you about I say be afraid some of you Some of you sports journalists are the reason why the Black Stars are falling. We show the aba Kimakenka. To be to on Facebook now the message. Ready about South away the aba WhatsApp. Draw some message. Draw so say the national team need to be restart. The team need only the service of Kudus, Alessandra Joku, Samuel Wusu, Kamal Tin Sulemana, Thomas Tepate, Jojo Wakot, Daniel Kofiche, and Abdul Fattah Ishaku. The rest don't deserve even the bench. The Ayu brothers are finished. Jordan is not a footballer. We Cashman, and also Nedia Wade Aba, and on a message boy when ye are editing film now Kanya as was to me. Aba also. Anna, we also the about your friend Richard. Richard CCC. I say, good afternoon. Thank you for the good work. The hypocrisy must stop and should be. Charlie, message and what? Message no. And what the Krabia Sante. Odiye.
Yeah, me fama nusi. Me fama nusi na ine no. Unse hakabrene kakra. Na boss player.
Boss osha. And then baby aye. Officer obi kan tana.
And then boss ankasa se nedi. Obeye sa.
Had no tia. Utumi enye dia officer ye. Ti no. Krabia Sante. And I would say so no so den komo ade aba me live Okoman Radio 97.1 FM. Okoman Global Source. Eri yesunkunya ye de komo so ye de ba kai shane so. Ese nyame atuma endenumbre Afcon live commentary e ho no mo meseden Afcon live commentary e ho no boku antene Guinea Bissau ene eye Nigeria bebo 7 p.m. South Sudan Egypt and Sudan Edinburgh in terms here the live commentary Edinburgh se Ghana FIMA so Okoman Radio you see all the 52 matches yeah the live commentary Ediaba boss player the Blasters of Ghana mini baby abesha sifi
well writer Mami Sanchia Efshefwa almost share live on Facebook. Yenchi omo fin so omo mutie on Okoman 97.1 so no yenchi omo right time start mission no putting into two forms.
Okay.
And I say you know my teacher makwa 9-4.
All right.
4.
4. And I see him
Oh, maybe
okay, yango.
One, let's start with our collapse into the national team.
Okay.
But nilika mamembo crop yabaso say no no atena no admit say he was part of those people they say yem family umbra na Emilio aba we be fairly we na your West Afcon Black Star yetima ball which are na coach Milovana na crop yamu route for nene abanti yes crop ya admit say omo na mo si Milombra na Miloba enso no wa fairly photo ntina yes crop ya so admit ma membo na baso
all right
e wo ho
obebo na baso okay
say ne no mo di Milo aba na Milo abi fairly
okay
one right talking about our collapse into the national team
all right
you see Effie and I appointed coach Milo and na crop ya ka say yem pese yebedi and I say yeah ensure the current performance of the coach and I say the current form ne mum na yeah she say past things our coach Milo abaye or Black Stars no and in ye gina so na ye dey afa no you see we the media na can say can remember media no so let me deal with the FA ni na FA ni nim
o start FA so
FA no so na FA no enim pass coach Milo anya dey obetima be boa the Black Stars of Ghana FA ni nim no win him because now what's not fear for 2 years without coaching 2 years without coaching the last team of coaching here was Thailand for Epamono
all right
and I'll bet fear for 2 years without coaching now FA will call Fano because in 2010 or the Black Star could do World Cup quarter final or the Black Star could do grand finale of the AFCON and I was so unfortunate say Egypt for a G83 and them see a day in na you better now on ye di o man boni because say him say Milo ain't me my boy and assurance I hear the man say oje AFCON na yeah man $300,000
yes
now or qualify Ghana to the World Cup so you say man additional $300,000
na be 6
now is $600,000 meanwhile you so say on to me AFCON no you so say a bad thing so we qualify Ghana to the World Cup because of Adrian Eda ni team says here Milo Adrian sabi in paying for money ma say Milo Adrian and yeah Juma be when it comes to football
okay
when it comes to football adwene yɛ adwuma biem enti sɛ crop ya betena no aka kire me say the reason why no supporting Milo wasn't because of the current performance na mmom no niama na wayɛ in 2010 after 11 years.
Yes.
Enti yen shots yen ko Milo mra me bona ba so I there.
Okay.
Thought you say. Now let's come to the players themselves. Let's come to the players themselves. And they yeah, players. Yes. Some of the players ain't committed to the national teams.
Wow.
Some of the players, born no omunimbo. Some of the players, ahomaso, je, ahantain, and ashomoso.
Okay.
But we still call them. I wouldn't blame the players, baby, because they did be Amikasi. You become a black star player when you are called into the national team.
Yes.
Yeah, we are on your black star player.
Yes.
Upa baby ati upa ye den baya
yes.
On your black star player.
Okay.
So we shouldn't blame the players at all. There were certain management. Your black star management committee.
Yes.
Your the Ghana Football Association management and as executive committee.
Yes.
Omo tenase SSN ekeka omuti bom with the coach.
Yes.
Omo tenase no ma frɛ anything FA president Kate eka say almost there scrutiny. Our player call up because untumi so that frɛ player bi akeke. Omo proper scrutiny no frɛ players no. So the FA, the Black Star Management Committee and the coaches, the technical team no enim say players when the players are made omo tuma bɔ ade am man no. And into the air then ye from.
Okay.
It's ya from aba. Now I be display this abysmal performance.
Okay.
We shouldn't blame the players. We shouldn't blame a certain Andre Ayew. We shouldn't blame a certain Jordan Ayew.
Okay.
A certain Partey or a certain Jonathan Mensah or whatsoever. We should blame the people who afraid players, no.
Okay.
Because one from Omon
yes.
Young friend, your friend is saying, players are money. Are you complaining?
No.
Is you crying?
No.
Say I'm friend or a black star player and I'm friend. No. We should blame this FA. We should blame the technical team. Now, I remember the technical team of the Black Stars.
Okay.
We appointed Coach Milo, say head coach.
Yes.
He appointed Maxwell Kunedu, say assistant coach.
Yes.
He appointed Otoado,
yes.
say assistant coach for the Black Stars. He got tournament, he got far. 2 additional, 3 additional people, but Abrofo, yes. Any guy, any back account.
Yes.
Some of Bernard Lepe,
yes.
say or a technical director.
Okay.
Now, Otoado na ye fan say assistant coach, release Biabana. Release Biabana.
Okay. Krobi Asante. Okay.
Now, yeah, the Otoado abasa assistant coach. Otoado asama okachire Ghana for ne say on to me ayen embeboa AFCON no. Listen to it too.
Okay.
Or say on to me join team no to the AFCON. Now, ya appointed coach so meboa or no team be ka chen say on to me meboa Ghana e wa AFCON. And if so ye fair, ye the far Otoado anything. Wow. We are going to a major tournament like the AFCON. Then the assistant coach at Yafano near to an ati baby a catcher say on to join our AFCON name or your dot on a juma. We make sense, Anna.
Dabi.
Nay, it was all my near.
Wow.
Now, my member Minister of Youth and Sports. Minister of I'm going to release about they always they don't make sense to me at times.
Wow. Sorry
for my words, but do baby yes, I catch them. The Ministry of Youth and Sports, they are in full support of the friends. FA so appointed Coach Milo. Any are there, and and FA need the $5 million budget. Are they a banner? Only say FA responsible so much coach. I know the FA ministry, and I responsible so much coaches. The national team coaches. Now the reason why. Yen to me Saki Milo, crop ya see and Saki Milo inside. The reason why yen to me Saki Milo, and I say yen to me to compensation after sacking him.
Yes.
Already now Max Siki Akuno, the other one yen to
yes.
And yes, I Saki Milo near better compensation and yen to me to ya ministry on to me to ya.
Okay.
Into the Ghana form fancy team saying and no matter the pressure, baba.
Almost second.
And ya de on Saki Milo.
Wow.
Because omun to me yere omun to me entua ka compensation na we chi omun to me already CK kura na entua na ka wie enti Mustafa Yusuf Krobia statement no yenya ba be hwem
okay
na
yes
Mustafa Yusuf enye bold number bonting emeka nkyere say Ghana for mo de Milo na mo say yentumi nsa ka say yentumi ntua neka na Ghana for mo say Milo is still going to stay because Milo Canada a certain coach akofan so meya adwuma no sit in a press conference na waka kyere say adwuma na yede no ba so meya ye say on me qualify Ghana to the World Cup.
That's what he said yesterday,
and I wouldn't blame him.
Okay,
Dabio me blame no Milo waka.
That was the idea. Never
contract. I Minister of Youth and Sports and I can't change on me.
No. Okay.
It's also now comfortably. I can say yes. When you Juma, no, any ministry, the man is a mayor. I a primary target. Or we need a fine. When we need a fine.
Yes.
Then no target. Nankasa say, on me qualify Ghana to the World Cup. So I wouldn't blame Milo one bit. Me blame Milo. Onipa me blame no Mustafa Yusuf and I feel so ket okreku.
Okay.
Now, my member ye media no so.
Okay.
Media no. We are so hypocrites. Let's be honest. Yanka no kure. Some of the media yanka no kure.
Okay.
Yenimpa say Milo Asan. Yes, oh, and I be on the club, yeah, display one. It's a make I say, yes, sir, club, I admit, say he was supporting Milo. We knew, the media knew, say Milo, end to me my boy Ghana. The media knew, say Jordan, about over 50 games. Was say, but we will sit somewhere and project some players. So, omuni born about me wa omasa. Media na, we the sports journalists, you kruma. Yankano crunch rayon. Ye hypocrites. Thought you say right, super. Media no. Me here chin yard wa me me who free. Because we are part of Ghana's disgrace. We are part of Blaster. Yeah, abysmal performance. Our tournaments are not this AFCON no. Yeah, tournaments, subsequent tournaments are, and as a previous tournaments are yakono. Performance are yeah done a media no a part. Yeah, and you call World Cup. Ana niama poni aircourse but we had a certain cabal media bia omona service can be akwa moche ye ma pedi am na dey no they weren't reporting the true reflection of Black Star issues and aircourse war. Ye call AFCON 2015. If I say 2017 or 2019 media ni bia nya sika na they came out to say niama aircourse of Black Star no enye entino niama bebre course wa national team cinema ye media nankasa ye report the right things no emfa ma Ghana for who say and we niama and also e course wa national team. So we the media to be hypocrites. Let's be honest. Yen can no krenchire Ghana for Black Star team na won enye but enye no we will sit in our comfort zone and you will hear a certain journalist saying Ghana be say Comoros. And yeah, I don't hear this Comoros. And when I make catch as a football, no, I scientific and technical. Comoros, a population of less than 1 million.
Yes.
Ucha ofan cry, nipa gungra, uche mu anaya, ana onya Comoros. But almost certain Black Stars. Then we sit here and we say Yampamu Milo. Me say why okasi Yampamu Milo biya onkano kure. Why because Yampamu Milo no onkano kure because sacking Milo wouldn't solve the problem of Ghana football and I wouldn't solve the problem of the national team. Let's ask ourselves a DNT ana your team say what Ghana hano omo African tournament and also omo the Champions League, the Confederations Cup omo film in the group stages. And I say in Tempano Mefribu. And then Yana 17 ain't to me qualifying Kobo AFCON, ain't to me qualifying Kobo World Cup. And then starting under 20 of late, ain't to me Kobo under 20 World Cup. And then Women's Premier League, and man, as ladies acquired grand final to me Cup, Black Queens, Black Princesses, Black Maidens, ain't to me qualifying Kobo World Cup. Do you think say Milo? Do you think say national team head coach Anna?
Wow.
I'm not. That's what I'm saying. Say, I'm not blaming. No. I'm not blaming. That's what I'm saying. Sir. Media, we are being hypocrites.
Oh yes, media, you can be.
We are being hypocrites
yes,
because the problem, you face as a country, in terms of football, no, and your head coaches.
Sure.
And your head coaches.
Yes.
We know, say, FA, Minister of Youth and Sport, and I said the people in charge of our sports, and I said our football, no.
Yes.
I was someone late near maybe. In terms of infrastructure.
Wow.
In terms of infrastructure. Because the football people are, I'm not saying out. I'm not saying that. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that people are actually football. No, so no. I'm football people.
Super yanko.
I'm football people. No. Until I'm say football. So I'm say football. No. And you say coach about 1 year. Obe pamu coach since 1982. How many coaches in Apamu?
Adoso.
Trophy in Yafa.
The
last time a Ghanaian club winning African Cup and winning Cup our continent was in 2004. Yajibiem. The last time and the juvenile team, national team, winning Cup was in 2009. Yako Chan Troka, Yako Wafu Troka. And we sit and blame say a certain Milo or a certain national team coach. No. The national team and people handling the national team, people handling our football in this country, I'm saying infrastructure. When you don't build infrastructures, you can't develop better players. You can't get good results in your national team. You feel say my top player we have Canada, but I don't like about them into the media team. Canada first year team no. Who football person first year team no. Right,
Super.
I'm fencing out the boy about.
All right. Okay. And I would say one also attend common. Let the about me so Okoman Radio 97.1 FM. Yes, a press release. Abba. Young Kenkai and family for na Omuniako and about way. Efi Ministry of Youth and Sports headline statement on the performance of the Black Stars of Ghana in the AFCON 2021. We know the buy no. Sabe, we be a nima de say, Nyame Altoma, tie, Nyame Altoma. Say, one more tenacity, the Black Stars of Ghana. Scar government, no, abomoka, come abomwa. One more dear call, Afkonya, Marco Gu, Omen Winmase. What they stated was abysmal performance, no, Nyame Altoma. For the Ghana Football Association meeting Friday, 21st January 2022. Till letter 10 in Yano, the woman. Important no no Nyame Altoma Friday 21st Zuba
useless useless oh friend if you know better now what beside say e didn't na ya film o do bisa everything so many America at the end you go film Afghanistan we know Minister of Youth and Sports Mustafa is
but okay you know already we anymore here a good call to every Ghanaian so no subenya everything and whether say behind the scene, everything around, proud to the AFCON preparations. This is something. This is something we.
This is not the first time. Yako tournament. That minister, our friends,
what meeting?
This is not the first time.
No. You benya bribe film. Sika hina sisi aye the court tournament. No. Sika hina the court tournament.
Wait and go to the tournament. Near Banks and about betting sika the court tournament.
Adiana. Ankoye anana ye ka say even proud before tournament
one of sister and yes. Grand final amount I
wanga zikano time wanga amfa budget ye de kwa for number 2 gan yan kan wasem we criticize them say ade a wo ma ye no nye
so bi ba yana no say you free
yes yan free mo wie eno no wo ma nye so far even you stand here even as a journalist no if upi abonti sisi akra no ubi kra e ka kire wo the amount of money kra ye de koya we be speculate
yes
so what I say so na ye nyina no something na yan akasa afa ho say no ye ko a tournament without obi a enim sika mpo a ye de ko if say yan aka na no wo mantie de da na de na ko jegu na enne no nyankopon ye ne bibia kwa anke ye kwa ne ye ko bo modern a sad way emba abonten but for now ye nyina ye be hu den de etuyem then we write something about it.
Kobia, do
so
Kobia, no. Very sure say meeting no Nyame Altoma. Scale PM no
so you put them on their toes. We have to know it.
All right.
Say ye musika wodi kum.
Yeah. 2019 ejigu ye.
2021 22. We a good call from the ministry. That one there.
All right, mo face man. Okay, and the army still live on Okoman Radio 97. Don't try to Minister of Youth and Sports. One more letter no be abano and Ekene Krobia Sante. One more in terms of the boy. Okay.
Media minche TF nyina Okoman TF no. Omo hiame pa na menna eye Krobia ase. Tendra Krobia yi senchane kakra.
Krobia.
Aye.
So and wamba obi but oyin senchane.
Aye no Krobia yi senchane.
Okay.
Okay. Na se yefi normalization by Fiahini.
Normalization was in 2018.
Ghana ball jigu ye no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. was 2018.
How many years in
here? 18, 19, 20, 21. And the man said 3 years in here, 4 years.
And the Ghana born 4 years in here.
Yes.
I say at the Tiapra
okay.
From normalization basis.
Yes.
Now,
I have 4 years.
Oh, me ba.
Since 82.
Oh, me ba.
No, he was action of normalization.
Enra, ye did you film no? I said, Nadia and Mamma Mike, and I'm catching and say, the last time I be the Pele.
Okay.
If he match him, we man the red card. I gonna call finals. Yes, lengthy of goals.
Okay.
And the Ram catcher must say, Besham Bibri, not for them. I be the Pele, Singa 92. You man red card before the finals. Yeah, and run about your inner film.
Okay.
What you say? Not I can say journalist. And you know, and as I mean to me, can say, and the crowd say, you know, say, Ghana journalist be him a dear, and as a BBC, but to him say,
okay.
Being no idea. We see we have been hip. Some of us are
yes.
A human want it.
Okay.
A human, me who's a human want it.
Okay.
Obi all ma, and that's all. Yeah, journalism. Now, oh yeah, yeah. Hey, many obi di command me catch and say o catch me say Coach Milovan. I transfer 2 years. I already 70 years of pension. On a certain Alex Ferguson.
Okay.
So Ferguson didn't buy a cry. At least they couldn't anyone say. Now see Papa Imra from the word quick as Papa Imra can say my and yet Obi say on the certain record the bank or the World Cup or the African Cup. But we get the journalist to say or the Ghana certain record. So the certain record there or the breaking record. Mumana Basso.
Wow.
Mumana Basso. What do you say? No, or the certain record run or the breaking record not Ujafuni. Me say you go for a coach we buy no. One, Park was a can't do a platform so. Or say ya brony by year. Come for a certain coach way, mamma say. See comes on with your coach way cano. Come compare heavy renard job. And I am on a contract. What does you man contract to you trying to crack a mano? I know the African Cup, World Cup. Upon you do baby a sign by ya. Give me oh my young sadia.
The boy, since day one, it seems like complaining about heavy renard, right? Then the one papa no
heavy renard. Oba Ghana, you a physical trainer.
Okay.
From Ghana, you went to Zambia, Zimbabwe, Zambia, or the Zambia Kwaji African Cup.
Yes.
From there, Okoman Morocco, from there, Obasiko, Ivory Coast, or the Ivory Coast Kwaji, SHA. Yet also me, you yet also me, you
yes.
Yet also me, yeah, yet also I say, yet also me, no, Yama Cherokee. If you see that, what also me, Yama Cherokee.
Yes.
I don't want to go Morocco. I'm fine. See, I'm going to check the record. It's on New Year's Papa way.
Wow.
He's better and good than this.
Let me. I mean, can we mention the boy?
Okay.
Harvey Renard ain't better than Claude Leroy. Harvey Renard.
But you're running blast up, coach.
Let me. No.
Like
Okay. Harvey Renard wasn't better, and as I on your better and say Mariano Barreto.
Okay.
Harvey Renard.
Okay, Barreto, the Amatias.
But I'm telling you, the problem of our national team, and not even Avram Grant, on your better than. Harvey Renard wouldn't be the boy. If yes, and I'm Mabekano since 82, coaches have been and top notch coaches now. So I say,
yes.
Harvey Renard and you're better than them. And I don't know your physical instructor. I didn't say I am
physical instructor.
But I'm telling you,
twice.
And coach, Harvey Renard wouldn't be the solution to the national team problems. Or in your brand, the things are near my if bought a certain Premier League
okay.
Now winner $35,000. Winner a whole team $35,000. Now you're in pitches and yet you don't even have trust in our local teams and that's our local players. I do things that offer for Mourinho, for Pep Guardiola, for Thomas Tuchel, for your technical team. You wouldn't win that.
Nana be the fantastic point. Wouldn't a certain Lukaku. Gogo na car ne mind ball no ho.
Okay.
Me gidi say o mind no timi ball car players ho locally. Obi ani wo international player. I need for that assist or shall say oh baby. Lionel Messi, Sanko Africa na ball almost be da.
Okay.
Because no a sick person.
Sure.
And I'm boy.
Yes.
And you find a papa no. And no be nipa. Oh abe nipa.
Na boy anko.
What you say there? You got to show angle there. and Africa you do for.
Okay.
But near me can say, Obi the cover coach in Banana boy, Sunny Pano or Hefa.
Oh,
More young friend Mra,
okay.
what Ghana Quasia. It was a Sabi, Manusi Sumnaso, Ghana penny for in court.
Okay.
It would be Nyansan woman team.
all right.
Senyasa wo team wa. Let me use come on. Make sure what you require.
Okay.
Near why more over the years and some of this coach blaster team at the amount.
Sure.
One I share Nechi. But what can I say? One I share coach Yachi of FIFA. Yes, what 2 years.
Yes.
One coach team me.
Coach will be
I don't buy. And it tells the Cademano. Ghana, a Timina coach here. You go hide that man hotel. I want them be. And I'm one to go to Semu. Or mine in here. What I say?
Yes.
Sure.
What I was saying.
Maybe.
And you're the head coach.
One coach in the buy.
Again, we're making the point in here.
If you bring the head coach and he's not good, which means one guy wants when you're good.
Okay.
So we should go for good people to come and handle your team's MIA.
Zuba.
Now, Obano that hotel, OF and Angazan provided pictures of team the training also. Also, when I'm camping on Doha, when I'm camping on that. Now, a new wheelchair player.
You have a track, I said, players live on more. 24 hours to your first match, you know. Now, team do, I think 7 hours. 7 hours, yeah. What I say? I don't pay for American crunch. So we have deficits of leaders. But what American I say? Yeah, writer. Sure. The American say me say, yes, no beer. What should be no yeah. I know be ready to obey. Ghana phone goes to Belgium system.
Okay.
On family.
All right.
What I say? Hazard. Sorry, Belgium. I'm one.
Yes, Sophie
Hazard. Yeah, Belgium. I'm record of football. We are in fa. Our in fa. But what I say? God. I need to know. Umalusu.
Yes.
Because maybe I catch myself from the word go. Papa, I buy so fast.
Yeah, face him.
Say, Kekofa. My class and grab by Ebe Coach my okay. For the first time, I see say Ghana competition. I division 4 goalkeeper. Actually Black Star. Good. What did I say?
Yes.
Now who you never catch say Akaunya Asamoja and Kaope. Oh, team coach no sano catch now go for coach aba. Oh.
Okay. All right. Zuba. Mo making the point here. No, the boy. In a way no. Zuba. Mama you know. Okay. Zuba.
Just as Kwabia. So we shouldn't misinform the people.
Okay.
Maybe misinforming the people. He never said say.
Okay.
He never said say. Now Onya Samoa in the national team.
No, Zuba.
He never said
no, what he said. No. Okay. No. Listen. What? Okay. The boy.
Coach Ibagana, he has never spoken. So Okasa no bitch asemawa and you now okay. It is right. Yeah? Me my linguistics. So Okasa no bitch asemawa and you now okay. Coach we you think funny in a court baby ada.
One case.
We have been fooled by this coach. One.
No.
Yes. So Okasa.
No.
No, the boy. And Asamoah the commentator Milo the boy coach the boy the commentator o make and say this current team now compare to the 2010 squad and you need striker be at Samaja in the team. That's what he said. That's what he said.
And I say
okay.
Journalist Graham and Papa and we. Journalist and Papa and we. Oh yes,
the boy
yes,
not facing man.
That's the kind of media and Papa and him. The media for any visa question.
Okay.
And I'm saying, in the media say,
okay.
Say maybe an anafibano. And I'm saying, Coach, we wouldn't just court baby and ye the beard and say, oh by on Casada. Yes, or sabi or in the quasi akasema, chama born in the yano.
Okay.
Or by on Casem Bia baby ada, cause Mukasa and Casa want it.
Okay.
Even in the same courtroom now, court now on table of our cast will catch here. We'll be chance over for it. I don't know.
I say, Messi or in the Cassia, or Casama one yano. Or Yano Chain for.
The boy with you.
Messi or in the Cassia Casama, no Chaviano Yano Chain for.
A Jamaica said and
Nanasi. Good. Nanasi, why no?
The boy yana face man na yafa course no. Yana face man. Yana face man. The boy yana face man. Odi esi.
Minister me say.
Okay.
Ghana for na e ko fa ba no.
Okay.
Oh, make the government America.
The boy yana face
man.
man.
Mo na for ni pa ni ba Okoman ebu abomu.
Okay.
Ubo na mu kwe.
All right.
Mon pamu no. Change them. Change him.
Okay.
Change Katokeku.
Okay.
Change all the escorts.
Okay.
Change everybody.
All right.
Only way for the beer.
All right.
Mopa man another 10 years.
All right.
Mopa man another 10 years.
The boy face mami.
Mr. Mopa. Uncle baby, coach way. Wait.
I was here. Ube PM say the boy. Face the boy face mami. Face mami. Tino. Ube PM say ya. The boy asuja. The boy asuja. Also bet we have him. Now also the wadrin share about 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 and I say 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. So bet me. Afrena what the wadrin share the aba na be piaso no etumi akonkan e won moko YouTuber message na beba e won pa racing god e the aba ye be kenkan pa opare so the aba ye be kan message no zigi me hu pa but we be pimo ase ya enkomo ebobo pa no enye fedi agro hello good afternoon super okay hello good afternoon
Abumo.
paso ya me adon paso di be bia ofrefi
Timo Kasati Royal Junction.
Mr. Timo yankuenim
Yo, Michel Labegua Funina, and run and the boy can. Hey, coach we. That for says a big to look I want to be what quality, what Sneffia, or need to media. Moko Fanaba, and manifestly. So they forgot now. No longer the president. So Ejiremo na Ghana who the ball who the team who boy
yes
one come into a month entire which is one go get that $30,000 now go for share am right bye
all right yes you there say so bet you fair now the wadrin share the aba 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55 and as 0270 191 971 Andra the Blasters of Ghana performance no obia complain say did ya hello good afternoon Pacho din baby afrefi Mr. Kobi yanku enim
yo me da matene ma pa mi cha di boy ni empanyfo nyina masa mama mun ka coach ni ko asemo mun ka ye panyfo abrofo panyfo kohwefo na mun pese Ghana football be yi no mun ka mun so asem omuno mama adi nyina e ba obi so ye kan ye pe journalist obeti mi ata won be kan mo mu se ko asem no mu gujie fifo ho
but boss player but kwasi asem beti mi withdraw that statement but
yo me that say very bad yo je coach ye designer coach and kese ni Spurs sha e be 30 bi so be kan before kese e football Ghana ye wo players wo Ghana ye wo coaches wo Ghana yo even Nigeria coaches can be na coach Ghana coaches me be some that's beside the ball me say enti e blaster coach no we ni anasa oni ni e na go we say enu kwate masa me da matin mo pa mo ye
yes you da say enti no o hwe Ghana fo edwa wow so bet we afre okay course neba good afternoon
hello
good afternoon Pacho din baby afrefi
ATP ni me kasa fi Kropo Blue Station
Mr. ACP Okoresa
Yabo baba so di aduma pa bo ye de boa o man Ghana na okura pa man Yakopon kam ho na mama ho den sa kaka so me kan say hello
so Ethiopia
yo kaka me pesa me kan say Black Stars no won the be say what na one what won ato no me obia ni ho ya o say sanka Yakopon eya adom na nka ndra ye ball we ni wini a anka hwe ball a wo boyi hwe sika tuturi dia obabeje twama ya tim Eframinya akwenya etie country 24 countries na ekọ no obia sika o de ko tournament no even Ghana sika o de ko no what mu two a over 15 countries and fast sika no bi anko to $7 million and ye de ko boss tournament mi wa wini a ubenya $5 million ada na ye tell me mun esisi ya ho sa yakopon sabi ono so tie Ghana fu sufre nti Ghana fu no bebre na na ye bom pass ye mra fie na ye meye nyoma ye na next time ye nya team papa na ye kwa etimi abo na dia koyanim da martin ye juma pa mo ye
all right Mr. ACP also ya da say so betu afra 05516677 55 05516677 55 and I say 0270-191-971 na also bet me Edward Chere abana bibia so no to me akonkai oko YouTuber message number Sunday the about say I'm sorry for Ghana yesterday. Today Nigeria win by 4-1. Sasso and a Rising God. So the Aba say I'm sorry too. Great performance by Comoros. And also Eddie Eno. Hello, good afternoon. Went to mention also. So bet me after Clement Opare our YouTube. Or say Black Stars will do well next time. Rising God. I say next in the World Cup. And I say Solomon keep the fresh. I ratify message no na amanfo e dey about our YouTube say also bet we afre na still we adwen share dey about 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and answer 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 bibia so no etumi akonka still Okoman Radio 97.1 FM and rather Black Stars of Ghana performance no enyama sedan koyi amfamanti usha Ghana for jam and bebre ndidi just because of omaye film yetimi yentumi gas omo bobo yentumi enko support you kopima group A Cameroon qualify Guinea then Guinea Burkina Faso and Cameroon o qualify into Ethiopia aba fie science no call YouTuber Ziggy I be bia to so kama our YouTube called the bia to so saso and a group B group C ni abahu teams are so for my qualify the bia to so a hormone life on Okoman Radio 97.1 FM Zuba
right call but such a sure. See, let me tell Ghanaians to say it's not about changing coaches.
Okay,
I'm not saying we should maintain the Milo. I'm not saying that, but it's not always about changing coaches. And,
right.
And you be your best
Super Mame Fako Wembra.
Sure.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Bell Lampard pay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Wow. Okay. Bell Lampard pay. The person na baby am na also bet you as a friend. Super. Bell Lampard friend.
Super. What I was saying is and here the Biani best coaches. The problem of our national teams, the problem of our clubs, you know, and I said the problems of our clubs, you know, and here national teams, and here football, you know, and here coaches. Wow. About your system, you know, about your infrastructure, about your leaders. You're paying for now, you're the football and I think I'm on a problem. How can you tell a national team like the Black Stars say Shekomoros, I'm about $30,000.
30,000, yes.
Shekomoros, I'm about $30,000. Wow. If the player no bobo no nim say so Shekomoros. It means say Yankasa muna ye handle football no, and I handle Black Stars na Gaza no. Yankasa Adwin. Serious in for Adwin na Gaza anyway. Because you tell a national team say oh Shekomoros the next time no one music be also Angela, it means that he's not going to win.
Oh yes.
So I say it's the funny am to akwemu. Then I make a check Kobe I say yes, the bit map your friend is a Milo. A difficult do, but he beats my Pamu Milo. Yakofa Javier Renada, the boy Eke. You were rooting for Javier Renada.
Sure.
Yes, you beat my Kofanaba. The more Kofanaba. Now, these same people, we have a certain Keto Kreku, a certain Henry Asantichum, a certain Prosper Ado, Harrison Ado, a certain Fred Achimo, Randy Abimo, Rani Efino, and that's what no more your margins or mess. The system, no more Rani, your football, Krumana, still.
Okay.
I'm even thinking Zanka by now Keto Kreku or resign or Cameroon and Sanawaba. Oh yeah, I think. I don't also your mom resign. Or say your mom resign. Is it better than those people no resign our various FAs? Nigeria FA ko
resign.
Yes, in the our play move. So he's not better than him.
Okay.
So I say in Zanka by now I'm thinking Zanka be ordinary resignation letter ba. So abysmal performance by the Black Star no from FA no. He will resign. Nanka bonza man. They was why the honorable thing. Omo makani ya na come step it down. Near deserve Black Star no. That feels assistant ni amaye. And yes, I can say, young of Vampamo Milona, young of 5 years in Adam. I've been around Nangazamuna in the last 2-3 years.
So, Bobby message about YouTube or say politics so can be.
When you say politics in football or politics, and son about your mind as a whole now, you already now your mind can be politicized. No, we do it MPP, we do it NDC. They do a buying with so because they share man general van campaign. You have to say a campaign, so be answer your dear campaign. Into be so better than jagas man general van campaign. So be a politicized a campaign at your football as a internal. It's all and I remember the point. It's not all about good. Yeah, munakasa citizens and kasa munaka. Your whole responsibility was that you're the best support. Yes, you're the boy national, but yes, you're already. I say yeah, I see football.
Super, Mame Fako Wembra. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrol didn't be our free.
Well, from I know you free Royal Junction.
And Patrol Yetio.
Was Papa. Me catch him say coach, you know. And you want to me in Pamon coaching in fee, number for coaching for.
Well, you bet we are Pamano.
Pamon, now you are for coaching for. Now, France, Wayade, papa, and next America. Who bet me to America, Opumbra, who Bobo, who to 1 hour, who back on the there. One palm coaching.
All right, yes, Eddie, no. Hey, yes, those are my funny fefe. I will fefe come up, papa. Zuba.
2 minutes name pona.
Okay.
Was a man the one
yes.
For board if and your coach, and I know you as a new coach.
Okay, Zuba, course never. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pastor, maybe our free.
But me say I'm not from your family salon.
Mr. Madam Salon Pastor Yetio.
But so coach me the only on yes. Open coach not a problem no what so me or players no pick them too much. I'm pick them too much. Just sky am the cover boy but if they school then they say what baby you. One quiet no atom scam or no could drink as some no the other.
All right. You know, one also academia. Wow. And your video, girl. See, one say, Mamma phone so free. Okay, super question about. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, intimate Janaso. Be Lampard, pursue dream. So, okay, Yanko. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, but you baby, I'm free.
Pacho, Miss Tracy. Amanfo.
Mpacho udi.
Me de pago ben so.
Okay, mpacho yanko yenim.
Me pacho in Ramatch ne sene e costify no. Me de me hu se Ghana fontain fo count ball no na nkoyi. Won enim ball ni nyina today. Na coach ni so to omoya players. Ya me hu se Ghana ball. In fact be ni so. Ntain no one year one work.
All right. Okay, yeah, Sintino, and Perifono, Munyam homework ni kama pa. Etiano come on, of course, as ya, but Yerbesi, the course in the Bessia, the course in Bessia. Easy. Suva, your face, Evasa, your face, you. Okay, okay, Yamel Mochna, more friend, some watchna, you bet you have to be Piasono. To me, I can kind of one more. No. How many are so live for Okoman Radio 97.1? Okoman Global Sports. Any idea on Okoman so at the Eba? I catch you say. Was it? Nipebia wo honmoa. Wapomudi nya. Tiye pama me nipebia wo honmoa. Wapomudi nya. Why ye juma from the whole year? No one pebe bia relax ya. Ebusia enye bagu. Enye kra enye. Enti ya kanfo a original so still e the amount say a restaurant ope bebia koko didi na ana say ope conference room say bebia mpinfo be share mo be meeting o be nya bi won so ezuba course no guso ba o you forget you so na say swimming pool ana say economic rooms bebia ba relax no madam for that we need factory original so to obe won mo e wo edu krom ekuapen frem 24 050 333 7788 050-333-7788 and as a 0244-333-73 na bibia so no and to me and conkai so original hotel one more that thing na why ye juma for the whole year what's that also relax it once in a while no ko pesu mi pui now the uni ebusuafo e market na relax e ba boa na bia so no etimi akonkan a ahon komo so no enye fidi agro so ba zedi ayi de fa we ma na menye ne sa na enye ye ana okay ye azana yan sorry so na bibia so ntimi konkan okay Okoman radio mpeni for ebi omopono de ato se oye eye asori company schools and as a social announcement the opposite bia say maybe sebe obusuani bia film na pese announcement emma from war other countries at say osimesi say efrimu and as restaurant and as bus na pese bia pese obeye adverts ewo eye radios bia Okoman radio mpeni for so maybe oma maybe omopono e de ama friend mpeni for ewo eye 0246 4355 65 0246 435565 na bibia so no etumi enkonkan ewo before mo final words super final words ne yanko
so china baba ntino final words bi no fina revelations
baba yes
baba cancel ntino onje
no me hwe ni okay krabi azante awusa
minchia yetiefo nyina wo mu ye super minchia ye yetiefo obibi otie obibi ohwe o Facebook ene uko abi afraid omu nyina ne nemu a wo mutumi obo obibia ntimi de yetiefo na ne no yes oba pagina papa yete ne nka che nti
no message ne fa
oba pagina papa bi
the person who is so still cannot read that message so I ignore it
ntimi yetiefo nyina me obibia very good afternoon ene sabepepe
and ama
ama jamia otie show no mfa ni agro dia be ma minchia no ama jamia minchia no
we jana wie okay and the boy ya go no
yampa obia
yeah
coach Katokraku the staffs ni na yampa obia problems will continue to mount up see writer problems will continue to mount up ya ko Senegal 92 no yes be play French enti yama kwasi apia kwasi apia enfa the captain's band into problem wo be sin enti yampamu omonkofa yampamu obia o dey say heavy Renard Renos Israel or the Ghana ko Burkina no na maka no play bebre Ghana to me and perform on resign wa magana kura okoye o dey say enti wo munyi no me dem support until say papa be fi Ghana me support Black Star da enra Comoros enemies of Menanam here captain. Now continue to be there if this man does not leave. Blasters.
All right. It's the boy. And I would say Nenkaro Kuma Global Sports. We see us na we pima kwales na mo frɛ sɛ mo nyame atoma ɔkyena eba bet farasi be phone line dia mo bia no bia de na adwen hye dia manti ya no bibia se mo de message efa Facebook YouTube ni ano ye do bia se Sunday Racing God so na Clement Opare okopiemu ewo YouTuber wom de mo message no etumi ade ba kama ewo na so na Facebook oba pagina papepi oba pagina this that mafu demi mafu no so edit message edifi Facebook ade eba ewo so na Kobna Majesty ewo YouTube Okoman radio one so etumi ade message ediba ewo hormo a na ehon komo so no enye video so na branch dini Gotin boy at a message yeah be afraid at Michael say great job you guys are doing well so now be afraid as some of you sports journalists are the reason why the Black Stars are falling Gotin boy the message by so now Kobna Majesty was a great one Janta so happy to see you back Mr. Star Bapa Gina Papa Bena Kobna Kofi Friday say yes greetings to you all Janka Town boys Omshomuti and Asante so say soundtrack is jama enti ono so e fire ne buy enti na team na say Hero Sports Kofi Korea jama so and out Ekinka Abrantia dine Ayakrobia Asante Orante and the boy so tenika so de Okoman e ba na Kwame Perry the finest boy DJ Tony DJ Zigibi woko YouTube ni Facebook ono ano di etino e tutu so kama na ehon komo so na nye firi agro DJ Donzi so na vibes o brutal pa omnia boy Amajumedian Yadiaba Park CPK Jeff Ekufu Boateng Kwame Senegal executive producer Radin the Mr. KB on the stage media Yadiaba Medino and the Baidoo Solomon for Subit from the writer commentator Nyamia Tumenumbre the live commentary at 7 p.m. The live commentary at Nyamia Tuma Messi Numbre the live commentary at the Eba. Until them keep the fire Ben Nyamia Duma Numbre Ibeshia.